The 11 best baby sleep sacks for safe sleeping and blanket-free. Baby sleep sacks have been an essential parenting item ever since the American Academy of Pediatrics cautioned against leaving loose blankets in your baby's crib. To make sure you know everything about keeping your little one safe while slumbering, we spoke to the expert on baby sleep health, Dr. Harvey Karp, MD, author of The Happiest Baby on the Block. This guide to the best baby sleep sacks covers products that are all designed with safety, comfort, and ease of opening in mind. Watch the video to learn more. 1. Sleepea 5-Second Baby Swaddle. Designed by Dr. Karp himself, this lightweight sleep sack swaddles your child in just 5 seconds. It's made with 100% organic cotton, and it can be used with the arms tucked inside or with the arms free, making it the perfect transitional piece. Also, it cleans up so easily. 2. Burt's Bees Baby Beekeeper Wearable Blanket. Treat your babe's delicate skin to this 100% organic cotton sleep sack from Burt's Bees. The inverted zipper, accessible from both the top and the bottom of the sack, means quick and easy diaper changes. Adorned with sweet little bees, the insulated sack will keep the chill out and the warmth in for a comfortable, blanket-free night's rest. 3. Woolino Baby Sleep Sack. Your baby will be absolutely obsessed with the plush softness of this merino wool-lined sleeping sack from Woolino. Breathable and designed to be worn all the way up to 2 years old, the Woolino sleeping sack keeps your babe's temperature regulated throughout the seasons without the hassle of blankets. Your babe can move from the crib to the car and back again with the easy-to-use seatbelt slots on the front. 4. Halo Sleep Sack Micro-Fleece Swaddle. The Halo Sleep Sack is made of cozy micro-fleece, and it's the only swaddle that adjusts 3 ways to fit your baby as they grow. Your baby can keep their arms in or out, so it will never feel too constricting. Then, when your baby gets bigger, it can be used as a wearable blanket. 5. Jomolly Baby Sleeping Sack, Pack of 2. Made of lightweight cotton, these adorable sleep sacks make resting safe and comfortable. With enough room for your baby to kick their feet around without restrictions, these sleep sacks will keep them comfy all the way up to their first birthday. 6. Halo Easy Transition Sleep Sack Wearable Blanket. When your little one is beyond the swaddling stage but still has the startling reflex, also known as the Moro reflex, between 2 and 4 months, the Halo Easy Transition Sleep Sack is a sanity saver that helps prevent them from jolting out of peaceful sleep. The stretchy cotton allows your baby to comfortably move their limbs while the snug arm sleeves help to control their startle reflex so that your babe can rest easy. 7. Love to Dream Swaddle Up. Some babies like to sleep with their hands up in the air and near their face. The Love to Dream Swaddle Up allows your baby to safely place their hands and arms in a comfortable position while limiting their Moro reflex. As your newborn is getting used to sleeping outside of the womb, this swaddle sleep sack encourages them to embrace self-soothing by giving their tiny hands free rein. 8. TILLYOU All-Season Micro-Fleece Baby Sleep Sack. This extra roomy sleep sack is the perfect blanket replacement for a baby who's totally anti-swaddle. Made of soft and breathable micro-fleece material, your little angel will feel cozy from summer to winter. 9. Baby DD Sleep Nest Baby Sleeping Bag. Your baby isn't old enough for sleepovers just yet, so for now, zip her up in this quilted sleep nest that looks just like a sleeping bag. The handy shoulder snaps make getting her into the bag a total snap. 10. Nested Bean Zen Sack Classic Wearable Blanket. Weighted blankets are all the rage for adults, and now there's even one that's safe for baby to use. The Nested Bean Zen Sack uses that same relaxing feature of added weight in their sleep sack for babies. The amount of weight added varies with each size, offering the perfect amount of comfort for your little one. Your warm embrace will be felt long after you've put your tot down. 11. Quilted Wearable Baby Sleep Bag. This quilted sleep sack is so soft and cozy that your baby will feel like they're being held by a cloud all night long. Despite the cozy warmth, the fabric is surprisingly breathable and gentle on baby's sensitive skin.